The trial of a former Uvalde CISD officer, Adrian Gonzalez, will continue. A judge this afternoon denied a motion for a mistrial. The decision comes after testimony from a witness yesterday. Our Amelia Magavro is live outside the courthouse in Corpus Christi to break down everything that happened. Amelia.
Well, Karen, this all means that this case is moving forward. The trial will continue tomorrow morning, and all of this despite the defense asking for a mistrial.
This was not an intentional act. At best, it was a negligent act.
That was Judge Sid Harrell, who said in court today that he thinks this case is a case of negligence, not a Brady violation. But this is not a total loss for the defense team. In a hearing that lasted less than an hour today, the judge agreed to let the defense attorneys cross-examine and interview the Robb Elementary School teacher whose testimony triggered this entire legal situation. The teacher was there the day of the shooting back in 2022 and made statements back on Tuesday about the shooter's location, information the defense says was never actually submitted into evidence nor shared with law enforcement. Those concerns, of course, led to the trial being paused late last night and again today. This is what the defense team said to the judge as well as to media after the hearing.
We believe we're asking the court to exclude. The only issue is that we just want to be able to unring the bell first.
And I don't believe what was testified to in front of the jury resonated enough to significantly affect your trial strategy.
Because she has already testified for the prosecution, and excluding it right now without us being able to have an opportunity to show that some of the things she testified to were not accurate would, as we know, a judge can ask a jury to exclude, but we can't make them unhear what they heard.
And I think that we need to hear the facts. We need to hear where exactly Adrian Gonzalez was, and we need body camera footage. We need lots of details for us to feel confident that he needs to be found guilty.
Now, that last statement was from an uncle of one of the victims, and that statement really highlights how emotional today was for a lot of those families in the courtroom today who were, in fact, visibly emotional when we interviewed them before this trial, because before this hearing even happened, they thought that this could have led to a mistrial. So emotions very high, drama here at the courtroom today. And coming up at 5, I will share more information and more reaction from both the attorneys and the families about everything that unfolded here today.